and welcome back to my channel. Now before we do anything, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and follow me over on Instagram if you can, because I would love to have you there. So I thought we could do another quite popular phrase today, and that is the word that we use for cheers. So we use this in quite a celebratory way. I think when you see pictures and the word put together, it's quite often of glasses clinking and some sort of festivities. The word for cheers is Slancha. 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 Now, where we use this for cheers, it is actually health. So we quite often wish people good health, but in present times we use it more as a celebratory cheers. Another phrase that you might be used to hearing is Slàinte Mhath. Slàinte Mhath. Slàinte Mhath. And that's good health. So remember that va or ma is the word for good, and we're using slancha as the word for health. So that's two phrases that are commonly used when saying cheers or good health. It's Slancha and Slàinte Mhath. Thank you for watching.